In this video, I'm going to give you guys what I believe are the top free resources for a beginning trader. This should give you everything you need to get off the ground. So stick around, you're not going to miss out on this one. Let's check this out. Resource number one, Investopediacom. And the idea and the thought process behind this one is, in order to know and to learn how to trade correctly, you're going to want to know the vocabulary and the vernacular of a day trader. You're going to know what a short float is. You're going to want to know what shares outstanding is. You're going to want to know market cap. You're going to want to know all these things. There's a bunch of different technical terms that you're going to want to learn, and you need that as a solid base to start as a trader. Investopedia.com. Free resource number two, Investing.com. Investing.com for a beginner trader can be used as a pre-market scanner. I believe they only give you the top 10 pre-market movers on the day, gainers and losers on the day, but it's a good place to start as a beginning trader who doesn't have the capital allocated for a high-end proprietary scanner. So Investing.com. And they also give you a top gainers throughout the day that you can use as a scanner. The way I use it is I open Investing.com on a different tab, and I'll refresh it every now and then just to make sure that I'm getting as close to real-time data as possible. And I'll just watch that list to see what's jumping, what's moving up and down the list. I'll take a look at the top gainers and things of that nature. So that's a good free way to scan the markets to see what stocks are in play. So that's Investing.com. Free resource number three, Finviz. Finviz is a variable wealth of knowledge. I mean, like there's so many things you can learn on Finviz as far as metrics on each individual stock, float, the whole 9 yards. Anything you need to know, you can go to Finviz and they'll have that there for you. Finviz also will map out certain technical patterns as well, and they will display them on the splash screen when you get there. So it gives you a little bit of a cheat, and it helps you out a little bit with learning your technicals and whatnot. And it'll map out certain things like falling wedges and trend channels and things of that nature. So Finviz, I believe, is an awesome resource, and a free resource at that for the beginning trader. You can't go wrong with Finviz. Number three, Finviz. Free resource number four, NASDAQ See, I use NASDAQ Trader as a momentum scalp trader. I want to know where the volatility is at. And there's no better way to tell a volatility than a stock halting up and a limit up down halt. I mean, that is the epitome of volatility, right? So I keep this website on one of my other screens, and I'll flick between the two, and I use that along with my scanners to identify opportunity and momentum in the markets and try to capture some of that opportunity momentum. It tells me when the halt starts, so then I can also have a good idea of when the stock is going to come out of a halt. So NASDAQTrader.com is a great resource as a halt scanner in a way, but I'm sure there's way more depth there to that website. You should try that. Check it out. NASDAQTrader.com. And this is going to be my top choice for a beginning momentum trader who trades small caps and trades and is looking to capture small percentages off of a larger move. So this is going to be the best resource that I found for free for a momentum trader, and this is going to be the Zendu scanner on YouTube. I don't know why this guy does it, but God bless him. If you're a momentum trader and you're a beginning trader and you're looking to get in entry level without having to spend a ton of money, because obviously you're going to need that money for your account. And to grow your skill and to stay alive in the markets so you can get to a point where you can become a better trader. This scanner is amazing. I use it every morning to this day. I do plan on using something a little more proprietary when I become a bigger trader, but as far as it's been working for me now, this has been working for me amazing. So shout out to Zendu and the Zendu YouTube scanner. This is my top pick for best free resource for a beginning trader. So there you have it, guys. That was my top picks for free resources for a beginning trader. And with these resources, you shouldn't have a problem attacking the markets and start to build a skill set. You have everything you need there as far as scanning, as far as technicals, as far as charts, as far as metrics. Everything is right there. You may have to do a little digging for it, but you know what? You're not paying that big fee monthly or yearly for that proprietary scanning software, which I do recommend down the line. But until then, these are the top free resources for a beginning trader.